Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I want to talk about a particular photo editing software that I came across 10 days back, which is a one-click solution to amazing photographs. This software is called Skylar Luminar AI 4, and I've been using it for the past 1 week, and it's not a very new software, it's an old software. The entire purpose of this software is that you don't have to do a lot of hard work like you have to do in Photoshop uh, and Lightroom to make a boring image look super amazing. Everything in the software is being done by AI, which is artificial intelligence, and it decides what's best for the image, and it can make a very simple image like this to this in just 15 seconds. Oh wait, you don't trust me, right? You can make an image from this look like this in again 15 seconds. That amazing, right? Let's get into the Mac and let's fire up the software, and I'll tell you how I do that and why you guys should consider taking this as a secondary editing software post Lightroom and any other software that you guys been using. This is a must thing on your laptop. Let's get into it. I will edit 3 images, very basic images, and you'll be mind blown about what this software can do. So this says Luminar AI. Don't look at any of the pictures. Let's import 2 images that I want to work today. These are from Kashmir. So वैसे ही पहली ही बहुत खूबसूरत है, हम बस इसको थोड़ा और खूबसूरत बना देंगे. So let's look at this image first. So it's almost like Lightroom, but इसमें के templates वगैरह बहुत well defined होते हैं. So on the right hand side, if you look, you have entire presets. So for example, now based on the AI has already figured out this is a landscape photo. So इसने already आपको landscape के लिए कुछ particular selection दे दिए हैं. So let me select particular, let's say scenery, and let's do a pleasing touch. So it already does a subtle touch over here. You can see this was the before and this is after. You can also see it like this. Just without doing anything, it has already done a good job with this photo. Now I want to edit it a bit more. So unlike Lightroom, it has some more features. For example, it has a sky enhance feature. If you can see, the sky gets enhanced somewhere over here. Look at this. This was before and after. Every time you can see that. You have your basic composition tools to rotate an image and transform based on Instagram sizes, popular Instagram sizes. सब कुछ है आपके पास. You have light, you have all the basic things. You have curves, every sort of thing that you require. Now you see this S curve has already been done by the AI based on what we wanted. Now what I wanted to show you guys was this particular thing. It's called sky selection, and let me choose a particular sky. Let's say I want something like this. Look at that. Now this particular software understands how the sky replacement has to be done based on all the fade offs. इस सेम इमेज को मुझे फोटोशॉप में एडिट करने में एटलीस्ट 15 से 20 मिनट लगता, बट Luminar AI does it so perfectly, and you can't even say that this is a photoshopped image. It's not a photoshop image, it's a sky replacement image. Let's try one more. Okay, this looks dramatic. Lot of skies. You can also buy sky packs from their website. This looks pretty good to me. पूरा genuine लग रहा है ये. And let's create some fog in the atmosphere. These things you won't find this in Lightroom or other things because it just, and I am editing on a raw, so I have more flexibility. And let's give some glow to it. Those punchy जो Instagram kind of photos देखी नहीं photographer के, and you say कि यार ये कैसे खींचा होगा. Well, ये कैसे खींचा होगा ये तो नहीं पता, but ये कैसे बन सकता है, no you know. Let's put some mystic element to it. And just look at this, guys. This was the previous image and this is the final image. And it just took me like 15-30 seconds to do this from this. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this something? And I was amazed. I mean, what this can do. Let's pick up one more image. Now this time let's pick up night. So in this image, what I want to do is it's already looking pretty nice, but I wanna make this, let's say, clear skies. Oh wow. Yeah, I think this looks good. And what I want to do is I want to change this entire sky and I want to put stars in form of a galaxy. Tell me, I don't even know what to say, but when I saw this, when I was doing such kind of edits a week back, I thought I'm gonna make a video on YouTube and tell people about. There are a lot of videos if you just type Lumina app, but I just thought I also want to make this video and tell people about it. It's such an amazing application. Again, we will do some give glow to it, those Instagram kind of things, and let's give some mystic element. No, can you believe this was the image and this is the final image. 15 seconds, 20 seconds max. Now I want to show one more image and this time we'll take a portrait. So let's just not keep landscapes. Let's do a portrait image. Let's take up this image. Okay, so now in this, if you see the template, as AI has already figured out that this is a portrait image. It has already given us some choices. Let's say influencer. Oh wow. What does influencer do? Oh wow. Look at that. It already have changed the skin tone, the color tone looks so nice. Okay, this is definitely Instagram. Definitely Instagram look. I think this looks good to me. Now it has some AI based portrait feature. So what we can do is this. Now look at this. I can increase the face light and now this is where the banger comes. Look at this. भाई कोई भी मोटा इंसान आप पतला दिख सकता है दोस्तों, कोई इशू नहीं है. यू कैन लुक स्लिम एनी टाइम एंड हाउस एवर यू वांट, कोई इशू नहीं है. एंड I want to change his eye color. I want to make it look cat eye. Okay, let's change honey. Oh, it's so bit scary. I think brown would be good. Oh man, look at that. Enlarge eyes. You can. Okay, I want to make eyes white. Dark circles. Improve eyebrows. And let's keep it low. Now after doing this you can also change his mouth. So lip saturation a bit darker, lip redness. You can do so much in this application, guys. And look at this before and after photo. Look at this. Can you even see the huge amount of difference? Look at this. Isn't that something? So my point being is that Lumina AI cannot replace Lightroom or Photoshop. Definitely not. But it can definitely fit somewhere to make your interesting images look more amazing and wow factor, and especially those quick edits, because ट्रस्ट मी, फोटोशॉप में बैठ के स्काई रिप्लेसमेंट करना, फेसेस पे इतने ज़्यादा चेंजेस करना इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क एंड समटाइम्स यू डोंट फील लाइक. बट with this new AI software you can do so many things and you can keep buying different sky presets, different thunderstorm, lot of things, and you have no idea what all you can do into this. So I will suggest that it's not so expensive. It's 5,000 rupees for a lifetime buy purchase kind of a thing, unlike monthly subscription of Capture One or Lightroom. So it's a one-time buy, so definitely you can give it a try. And please, if you do some pretty amazing thing, tag me on Instagram. I want to see what funny things you make. I've been trying a lot of things past few days, and these are the images that I have done. Tell me they don't look amazing. And I'll see you next time. I'll try to bring such kind of videos more these days, especially I'm at home, so nothing much to do. So give a thumbs up, and if you want to buy Lumina AI, there's a link down in the description. You can buy from there if you guys like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.